Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Messenger AI Image feature 2026. In 2026, the Messenger AI Image feature powered by Meta AI allows you to generate new artwork, create stylized image of yourself and edit existing photos directly within your chat. Now, to generate new AI images, what you can do is open any chat in Messenger application. Now, once you go ahead and open any chat, what you can do is go ahead and tap on your text box, then type in @Meta AI. Meta, you will be shown a new various options like silent and imagine. What you can do is go ahead and tap on this imagine option, tap on this continue button. From there you can type in imagine me, and that's just an example. And once I do so, as you can see, the generate images is not feature was not available to me in this region, but it will soon be available. However, if you follow this simple step by typing in @Meta and AI Imagine, you should be able to generate or even edit your photos over here in any chat. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.